3.
Hi guys, today I'm going to harvest some tomatoes, cucumbers, like courgette, things like that. We're doing barbecue today, but let's get into it. And we got a basket to put them in. Let me just go. And what was this called again, Mom?
Onions.
Onions. We're going to put it, and instead doing the seed.
Yeah, we're going to have spring onions.
It's going to take more. They're growing 3 days. There's one this. And then let me check. There's really at the bottom, but I'll get them when I'm leaving. You went in here and smashed all of the tomatoes.
They're not the good ones.
Where?
Did I wash the cutlet?
Oh damn, look at the cucumbers. And when my mom said deduct it all means be careful.
Yavaş. Kopar da öbür kopar. Be slowly, gently, Chino. Good boy, Chino.
And then when she said yavaş, that means slow. This is hard to take.
Gently, slowly, Chino.
Oh yeah, I can just twist it. In it?
Yeah.
And then there you go.
There you go. You put them in the basket.
And if you're wondering what is these yellow ones,
They're the flowers, Chino. Come here.
like this, they grow from this flower. Like they don't, but it's like it.
Okay.
Do I get any peppers?
No peppers. Those tomatoes. Those tomatoes
I
there.
have to just turn around.
Be careful. You really must not be careful.
There's small ones here.
They're cherry tomatoes.
Are they?
Yeah.
I never knew. There you go. And we have some strawberries, I think.
No, we don't have any strawberries. They've done.
But they grow. We still have it there.
All the tomatoes, Chino.
There's so much pepper. I'm scared to press on them.
Be careful.
And then there's one red here.
Look, there's some under there as well, Chino.
There.
Yeah.
And some of them might.
Put them in the basket so you don't have to hold them all.
Okay, wait. Let me get that. If you're wondering why am I not getting the yellow ones, I want them to grow a bit more and be red. So let's just get that.
There's some more there at the back.
I'm going to try and reach that red one. Okay, I'm going to finish the tomatoes there, and then let's get to the. There's really big ones. Shall I take 10?
Yeah.
There's this big one. And guys, I wanted to mention something. We're almost at 100 subscribers. We just need we are at 97. I hope we make it 3 more subscribers to 100. Thanks for subscribing and watching. And then let's get here. This is our box where we put our tools. And then
Now get over here. Look, there's some courgettes here.
Are they big?
Yeah, they're very big.
Okay, get this, so put it there so I can grab them easily. Where?
Here, there's one there.
I'm going to be gentle with them. I can take them actually now. Forget about this.
Twist it.
Ah, the spikes.
There, look.
There you go. We got one like courgette, you can tell. It was about this thickness.
Oh yeah, it was ginormous. It was big. Come, there's one more here, Gina.
Okay, I'm going to just be careful.
Be very careful.
Not step on them.
There's one there.
And if you wonder why these courgettes are yellow,
these are white ones. There's green and white courgettes.
We have all of the flavors.
Yeah, come on, get this one.
Let me just put this here. It still has like stung nails on it. Oh, Mom, why are you leaving it? Okay, this is so hard.
Twist it, you know.
I'm keeping so much.
Come on, twist it.
Got it off. I got it off.
Good boy, you know. I'm not sure if there's any more. You can check if you want.
That just dropped out of my hand.
You can check around here. I'm not sure if we've got any.
Okay, I don't think I can even see it like this. None here, but should we harvest something? Mint.
No, don't need any. Come.
I have to escape here now.
Get your basket. We have some here as well, tomatoes, but you know.
Yeah,
But there's spiders, so we have loads there. Look.
what are they? Look at that! That was all green.
Yes,
The bottom.
yeah.
Where are they? Okay. I done a bit of like bending this down, know that part. And then actually I can't really go there. I don't know how am I going to reach there.
Your dad will come and get those ones.
I can like try to pass through them.
Hmm?
I can try
Where?
pass through like. No, I can't. There's too many spiders and
Yeah, your dad will get them,
too
those ones.
like hard to. But maybe like. What about that red one there?
You can't get them because you have to go through.
And then I
You got one.
Yeah, I reached down. It's just these, but they can bend really easily back how it was. And this one got from that is I scratched the whole thing off when I was doing the video. And bye guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.